The HEAD production staff all graduated from a junior college or above in mechanics. At the same time, in the HEAD Cutting Products Academy, receive professional cutting industry knowledge training. The HEAD production team has a large number of and advanced assembly tools. They have developed various assembly tools. The assembly efficiency meets delivery requirements. Meanwhile, in incoming material inspection, process inspection, and whole machine inspection, we have professional quality inspectors and equipped with advanced quality inspection equipment to ensure product quality. HEAD always takes the total quality management system as the basis of our production management. We implement the 5S management on site and implement total quality management. HEAD focuses on personnel capabilities, workpiece level management system, multiple dimensions, and delivery time to meet customer needs. HEAD technical team in mechanical design, electrical design, automation. He has more than 15 years of experience. It has more than 10 doctoral supervisors in colleges and universities. As a team of experts at HEAD, HEAD has the key laboratory of modern cutting technology in Shenyang, able to solve the core technical problems of ultra-high pressure through experiments. Set up a dedicated R&D team, develop an annual R&D plan, achieve R&D breakthroughs in a variety of new cutting processes, achieve precise and efficient cutting. The team has more than 100 patents. Over the past 15 years, we have continued to gain experience with strong technical strength, solve cutting challenges for customers. Customer needs are received. The technical team initiates the needs assessment process within 24 hours, organize experts to conduct a comprehensive analysis of the needs, complete the needs assessment report within 1 day, and complete the project within 48 hours. Assemble a dedicated project team. Provide customers with 1,000 sets of technical solutions every year. Help customers continue to increase business value.
HEAD's sales team responds to customer inquiries as soon as possible and connects with the customer immediately to ensure the customer receives the best service in the shortest time. HEAD's sales personnel, in addition to selling general equipment, are only allowed to sell up to 5 industry-specific products at most and must also obtain the corresponding certification certificates, providing customers with the most professional technical knowledge to offer the most precise service. Because HEAD focuses on foreign trade, sales personnel are divided by region to define their sales scope, ensure the working hours of the sales staff are synchronized with the client's time. Let clients receive the best service in the most comfortable way. HEAD sales staff. They have 500 hours of training time every year. To date, HEAD is the most popular brand in the Chinese waterjet cutting products. Also the team with the best sales performance.
Service engineering at our HEAD. All of them are in production, assembly, electrical assembly, machine debugging, and other jobs. Excellent employees who have worked for 2 years in more than 120 countries served by HEAD Waterjet. There are some areas where there is a relative concentration. A localized service model has been formed. It can be professional and efficient. At the same time, it is also equipped with a localized spare parts library. Ensure a timeliness of international services. HEAD targeted another customer. A 4-to-1 service model has been adopted. Sales, after sales, customer service and accessories. At the same time, follow up with the same customer. Be meticulous and thoughtful. Our service staff at HEAD, long-term visits for more than 50 countries. Ability to go anytime, anywhere. Solve cutting problems for customers. HEAD Waterjet makes the future. Achieve customers and serve the world. Shenyang HEAD Science Technology Corporation Limited. In this 2009 establishment so far, we have always attached great importance to the construction of corporate culture. Our mission: defend as making cutting no longer a problem. We are going to go through all kinds of cuts. Help customers solve cutting problems. In the future, we want to be the company with the happiest employees. At the same time, we want to become the top 1 brand of cutting services in China. Well, what about our values? It is integrity-based, altruism first, innovation is king, diligence is the soul, self-confidence is the source, and gratitude as a guide to action. Then we go through 6 values. Living our mission. Achieve our vision and goals. Well, on the road to becoming the #1 brand of cutting services, we are in addition to technology and service. Then do the best. At the same time, we also want to help the industry cultivate a large number of excellent cutting professionals. So we started from Shenyang Vocational and Technical College, that co-founded China's first cutting technology industry college. Every year, we train a large number of cutting technical talents for the industry into our cutting industry. So let's have a rapid development. Also give us the cutting industry. And then brought a lot of this talent. Cutting is no longer a problem